listen, I've made over half K videos, okay? I've made over 500 videos across social media platforms. And if you could ask me today, what is your biggest lesson? What is your biggest kind of thing that you've learned through these over half K videos? It would be this: you don't grow by going viral. I always say, like, you grow by showing up again and again, okay? Even when no one is watching you. And I would say, like, here is what I've learned, and here is what these over 500 videos taught me. That I wish that I knew, and that I start, at the start I would say that quantity leads to clarity, because I've learned that quantity and clarity. At first, I thought that I needed to figure it out all. I need to figure it all out before posting. But what really helped me to grow is making content, a lot of it. Like, every video is a lesson, and every upload sharpen your voice, your message, your editing, and even your confidence at the same time. Now you find the niche that moving by, and probably you're overthinking about your niche. You find your niche by moving forwards, not by overthinking. And I would say 99% of people won't care at all. No one cares, and that's okay. Most people won't like the comments. Most people won't even, look at your video or even finish the video. But you are not making content for everyone, to be fair. You are not making content for everyone to like it. You are making for the right ones. You speak directly to the person that you here to serve. Forget the rest. And the hardest lesson that I've learned, and the hardest part, is the mental, not technical. It's not the gear, okay? It's not the gear, it's not the algorithm, it's not the voice, it's not your it's not your voice, it's not your confidence. It's a voice in your head that says, this is good enough, that's not good enough, no one will watch this, no one will click this, and why are you even doing this? I mean, but every time you post, despite the voice, you win, okay? Despite the voice that is literally flipping in your head, you win at the same time. And I would say momentum, motivation. And momentum and motivation fades, of course, but some days you won't feel like it, like creating what keeps you going. Discipline and system and momentum is built your routine, to be fair, not mood. And a lot of people, they might kind of wondering about the engagement over ego. A fancy transition or viral hook might grab attention, but a connection keep people watching. Ask questions, start conversations, respond to every comment in the beginning, and don't build following, okay? Just build relationships and build connection, to be fair. Views are cool, to be fair, but the impact is better than viewers. One DM from someone who says, oh, your video helped me, means more than 1 million scroll past viewers. Create to serve, not to be seen, okay? A lot of people at the moment, they just create to be seen, not to serve. And I would say, you becoming a better human, not just a better creator. After over 5,000 videos, I've learned editing, I've learned scripting, I've learned how to be confident in front of the camera, and of course I've learned how to storytelling, which I would say is not world class, and growth strategies. But more than that, I became more confident, more consistent, and more focused, more commitment to put a lot of there, and I became more resilient. This is the journey, who you are. And if you let it, I would say you go nowhere. I think soon after 500, after 500 uploads and even more, would I do it all again? Absolutely, because every post, even the flops, made me sharper. Every win and every mistake taught me something, okay? If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel or is stuck in the middle, just keep going. You don't need to go viral, to be fair. You don't need to go viral. You just need to provide the message, provide the value, and yeah, confidence will come over time.